Hey, I'm Kaniti and today we'll be making pizza waffles. For this, we'll need a bowl. Take 8 tablespoons of flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, pinch of salt, little bit of pepper. I used ground chili pepper, a teaspoon of paprika. Mix it up. 6 tablespoons of water, and finally 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix your dough. Look. Now use your dough in your waffle iron in here. Put dough in here. Close it up and wait for about 4 minutes. I've prepared toppings for our waffle pizzas. Here we have some pepperoni, grapes and Parmesan cheese. I'll use plain yogurt to coat our waffles. Here they are. Let's make pizzas out of them. Gently coat your waffles in yogurt. Let's add a bit of ground black pepper. Let's put our toppings. Last but not least, grated Parmesan cheese. Our waffles are ready. Here they are. Enjoy! If you want some extra oomph, try melting cheese a bit in your microwave. Here it is. Cheese has melted and now we have this beautiful